In my last video, I shared about a painful grand rejection, and I promised a follow-up. I worked on that proposal for weeks, and I was not selected as the top 10. If you have ever dealt with a heartbreaking rejection, such as the ending of a long-term relationship, being fired from a job that you pour your heart and soul into it, or hearing crickets after piles of job application, what I share with you today may resonate and give you some encouragement. Hi, I'm Joyce Lee. Some people call me the PhD Grandma. I am passionate about helping busy professionals live flourishing lives through simplicity and meaningful work. I invite you to stay with me on this topic about rejection and what we can learn from it. After reading the rejection emails 3 times, I closed my laptop and took a walk outside. The fresh air and the light exercise gave me a boost of positive energy. I listened to the birds, paid attention to the budding trees, and stopped by the bridge and watched the ebbs and flow of the river. Then I came home, took a shower, ate some snacks, and I returned back to my laptop. I started to strategize and came up with 3 viable options. Try harder, try no more, and try smarter. Try harder means keep going and try stronger. Try no more means stop trying and avoid any further rejections. Quit work and retire happily. Like many baby boomers, retiring at 67 is very normal or even overdue. I deserved it, spent 4 decades of work, and it's about time to quit and enjoy my leisure. The third option is about trying smarter, reflecting on what is working, what is not, what needs tweaking. Learn from the Purpose Alignment Lab program as I deliver them, and produce a better proposal next time. Over the next few days, I had lots of self-talks and wrestled with these 3 options. For option 1, keep trying harder is out of the question, because if I keep doing the same thing over and over again and expect different results, this is a recipe for insanity based on Albert Einstein. And how about option 2? Stop trying and quit altogether doesn't make sense to me. Why would a person give up when they see some momentum going and they are seeing some progress along the way? There are many indications that I'm moving closer to my purpose or the North Star. Unless something drastically changes, quitting doesn't make sense. Then I thought about the rejection story when I was fired at the age of 63. I faced a similar rejection blow. At that time, I didn't quit working and keep going because I believe I still have a mission to fulfill and I need to deliver what matters to me the most. It's been 4 years now. Is my North Star still waiting for me? What is my North Star anyway? The North Star articulates my life purpose statement. It reads like this: to inspire and equip busy professionals, live flourishing lives through simplicity and meaningful work. The idea is not to land on that North Star, but is to move closer into it. Am I on the right course? Am I closer to it now than 4 years ago? The answer is definitely yes, because 4 years ago, I have an aspiration. I did not have a program. And now I did. And I have developed the material and the workbook that goes with this program. In addition, I also gained further education. I received my PhD in human flourishing and minimalism, and I obtained the certificate being a meaning and purpose life trainer. All that training prepared me to better facilitate conversations, empowering individuals, as well as delivering keynote speeches. Try smarter in action. Sounds about right. I need to proceed in a smarter fashion. I can tell you this is not easy because it requires some serious self-examination with honest critiques. I recognize that I'm great and efficient in delivering solo work. But I cannot thrive in this work without a strong community presence, supported by close relationships. Perhaps I've been putting it off far too long. Relationship building is not my strongest forte, but this is the area that I can grow. Following the traditional ancient Chinese teaching, or the Bruce Lee version, be water. Go with the flow without forcing my way into the rugged stream or against the current. This is the real growth opportunity to master. It's never too late. This is what I do. Instead of launching another social media campaign, I pick up the phone and wrote a few emails. I met up with real people, either online or meet them face to face. I am rekindling some old relationships and meeting new peoples who share similar interests and aspirations. I set up in my calendar to at least see one person per week. I never ask for referrals or focus on self-promotion. We just chatted about life, work, family, and some interesting experiences. These conversations are meaningful and enriching. I enjoy so much about these interactions because human stories are usually with ups and downs and with twisted turns. Living a life of purpose is about cultivating more joy into people's lives, causing ripples of encouragement, excitement, and comfort. The rest will fix itself. I know I'm reaching closer and closer to my life purpose when people around me are uplifted. You are meant to live your life potential. When you're living your finest and best, your presence naturally radiates out to the people around you. Before you quit, ask yourself, am I closer to my North Star than I was before? If yes, keep going. Your North Star awaits. We talked about 3 options when rejection hits. Try harder, try no more, try smarter. Choose wisely. What is the one shift you can make to move through that rejection and back toward your purpose?